Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Seed, and guys, we'll be seeing a video today, and this one is titled The Best of WRC Rally 2023, the crashes, the actions, and raw sound. Okay guys, I am super excited for this one. If you're super excited to see this with me and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and let's get right into this, okay? Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, this is really scary. The crashes, guys. I hope they are going to be able to survive all of that. This is really crazy. Wow, guys, this is really scary. This is dangerous. Oh, this one is on ice.
Sur le droit 30 plus équerre, craqué. Sur le droit 30 plus équerre, craqué. Pour 100 mètres 40, craqué. Gauche 60, craqué. Gauche 60. Droite 120, plus,
Ok.
plus, coordonnage. 70 mètres, droite 130, plus, crash. Sur gauche. Sur gauche.
What happened? Wow.
Pour taper, gauche 160, Philippe, 50. La voiture.
Wow. Wow. How do they even do this, guys? So much speed.
Sur 88 de
Ooh. Wow. Isn't this like a tunnel?
Gauche 130 plateforme, dans le point bref. Et gauche 120 des graviers pour à droite 80 points de plateforme. Sur gauche 7 points de
No way.
Jonny Houteren and Calais Robbenberg.
They find that slot short. Ah ouais.
Okay, guys, this video is from Death Fish. All right, I'll be leaving a link to this channel in the description box. Go to the channel and do all the good stuff to it. Okay, this is really a wonderful video. All right, guys, I really enjoyed watching this. This is a very interesting video. All right, thank you guys for watching. If you have any suggestions or recommendations, always drop in the comment section. Okay, thank you guys for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye.